Hey guys, it's the Cooking Doc. A lot of people are bored stuck at home, so this week I'm going to give you a job. I'm going to teach you how to cut an onion, and I want you to practice cutting an onion every day this week. So you guys ready to learn? The key to cutting an onion is to make sure you can do it quickly, because who wants to spend their time cutting an onion before they cook every single night if you can't do it quickly? And to do it so that the pieces of your onion are almost exactly the same size. I also use a lot of onion before I start cooking a dish, and something called a mirepoix. A mirepoix. Mirepoix. 3 things you need when you chop your onion. Number 1, onion goggles. Number 2, a sharp knife. Number 3, a cutting board. Other things you need to know which side of the onion you're going to be working with first. So, we've got the stem side. This is the side we're going to be chopping off. And then we've got the other side here, where these little roots are. That's going to be holding the onion together while you chop it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off the stem side, just kind of one slice down. Okay? Perfect. Nice flat side here to work with. Then we are going to cut it in half. We're going to go right down the middle here. Straight down the middle. Beautiful. Okay, so at this point, we can take off some of the skin. Let's move that onion skin. And here's our onion. So again, flat side down. It's much easier to cut. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure we have evenly cut pieces of onion. So we're going to take this onion and I'm going to cut lengthwise like this, kind of slices through the onion. And I'm going to go all the way back to our base, but not going through the base. We're going to go kind of right about there. That'll give us a nice chopped onion size. Try to be as straight as possible. Okay. All right. We're going to do that. Then we're going to go up another little bit, about the same amount. Make another cut there. Not all the way through. Then we're going to go up again. We're going to go, this time I am going to go all the way through the very top, so that gives me another flat surface to work with when I'm doing my cutting. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make lines this way on the onion. We're going to cut these all the way down to the cutting board, but again, we are not going to cut through the end there. We're going to leave a little bit of room at the end to hold this thing together while we chop. So let's do that again. Just going to go all the way through. Now see, I accidentally went too far. It's not supposed to do that, but that will happen. When that happens, you just continue to hold the onion together. And then you turn it to the side one more time and you slice in the only way we haven't sliced it yet. And you get these perfectly sized chopped pieces of onion. Whew. Thanks for watching today, guys. Next week, I think we'll cut some carrot, maybe some celery. Much easier things to cut, but if you have a couple good techniques, that'll help you get through it more quickly and with a more even finished product. For more health information, make sure you stop by my website, thecookingdoc.co. I've got a blog. Sign up for my email list, weekly tips and recipes directly to your inbox. We'll see you next time.